Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. For the last many years, it has been observed that the day before the budget, the markets were range bound. Markets did not make a big move. Today, though markets were volatile, on a close to close basis, it was almost flat. And Bank Nifty up about 1%, IT index is down by 1%. Now IT index came under profit booking, but PSU banks shot up. PSU banks shot up mainly, ADANI Enterprises saw some decent subscription to its follow-on public offer. So PSU bank index shot up more than 4%, led by State Bank of India. So because people worried, State Bank of India has the maximum exposure to ADANI group of stocks. So it was really surprising. Consistently for the last 2-3 days, ADANI Enterprises share is trading well below the issue price, and when it is trading 5 to 10% below the issue price, who want to apply for a follow-on public offer, as expected, retail people did not apply. Retail portion has been subscribed just 10% of what is reserved for retail. But however, some HNI people and some qualified institutional bidders, so they have lapped up, and there was a very good demand from ultra HNI clients as well as QIB bidders. So at the end of the day, the issue is fully subscribed. So this is a magic only ADANI can do, nobody else can do in India. So let us not go into those details, but we are happy that one uncertainty is over, and that is evident from the option prices of ADANI Enterprises. So the premiums have started coming down. I had some positions, so I was in good loss, but most of my losses recovered because of this fall in the IV in ADANI Enterprises. So that is one thing. So we will have to see, although the news came that is fully subscribed even before the market close, but despite that, in the last 10-15 minutes, that counter has come under some selling pressure. So let us see tomorrow what happens. Tomorrow is the D-Day for budget. So tomorrow's direction will be, after the budget is over. So in the past many years, what has been observed? Number one, the day before budget, the markets were range bound, and on the budget day, though markets were volatile, but on a close to close basis, did not make a big move. The people who have done short straddle, at the money short straddle on budget day, most of the time they made some profit. And the third one, after the budget, maybe next 1 month, the markets mostly were trending either on the higher side or on the lower side. And most of the time, if the budget day market closes positive, it is a trending upwards, and most of the time with the budget day, if the market closes negative, it was a trending down. So markets, number one, have been oversold, and because of this ADANI saga, now that is out of the way. And of course, it's not only ADANI problem, also the FII selling. And just look at today. Today also the FIIs have sold in huge quantities, 5,400 crore. Just yesterday and today, just 2 trading sessions, they have sold for more than 10,000 crores. And domestic institutions have bought for 4,500 crores. So, who knows, after the budget, FIIs may change their mind. So, if there is something positive in budget, and sometimes if there is no a negative thing in budget, that will be considered as positive. So markets may do some kind of a trending on the higher side. So that is my hope. And once again, hope is the worst enemy in stock market. So because we have underperformed the global markets for the last 4 or 5 weeks, and if something good happens in budget, and the markets are likely to trend. So that is why I cut most of my short positions. So I am just keeping slightly long bias. So looking at the open interest, it is also indicating the same thing. Surprisingly today there was some unwinding in 17,800 call option and addition in 17,900 call option. That means people are shifting. They don't want to take a risk, because once 17,800 is crossed, markets can move quickly higher, because 17,800 is supposed to be the good resistance. So if you generally look at it, for the next 2 days at least, the range should be 17,000 on the downside and 18,000 on the upside. So markets may trade between 17,000 to 18,000, and hopefully if the budget is good, it can be inching towards 18,000. So tomorrow everything, yesterday US markets fell, today US futures are down, but of course those things can change after the market open, especially if today there is a consumer sentiment data is there. So US market, 2-3 days up, 2-3 days down, so it has been going like that, not going anywhere. And just like our market is not going anywhere for the last 1.5 years. It's going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So let us hope for a good budget tomorrow, and let us hope for a rally from tomorrow. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.